Welcome to my channel. My name is Humphrey Alex, and today we are going to dive into one of the most powerful SolidWorks tool, the Weldment Feature. So whether you're designing a frame, a structure, or assemblies, these tools can save you a tons of times. So stick around, and I'll show you how to create a weldment step by step, including some tips, so as you can have a proper workflow. So let us get started. Open your SolidWorks. Mind you guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Uh, the SolidWorks, it is opening now. And one thing with Weldment features, the Weldment it works best when you're working on 2D or 3D. So we'll be creating a 2D sketch or a 3D sketch uh, that will be outlines the structure that you want to build. So let us create a simple rectangular frame as an example. So select a 3D sketch, select rectangle, and here the cursor now it shows a pencil mark, and the down the pencil mark there is XY. That means this is my front plane. If I want to change the working plane, then I have to click tab button to change to YZ. That means I'll be working on right plane. And if I want to work on top plane, I have to click tab again. It will be shown Z plane, the ZX. So I can create a rectangle, can give it smart dimension, say say 900 millimeters, and give length 1200 millimeters. Click enter. Now create create the vertical. So now if I select a line, here you'll see ZX, but I want to create vertical lines. That will be my column. So I have to convert to XY or ZY, it will works. So click tab, select this point, select this point, again select line. Now we can use mirror features, so as we can mirror these two lines. We can mirror about front plane. So select mirror, entities to mirror, select this line, hold the control button, select this line, mirror about, select front plane. So you'll see the preview. Say OK. Give relation, select this line, select this line, select this line, and select this line. Give relation, make equal. Say OK. Give dimension, uh, give dimension, say 150 millimeter. Say OK. Now this is a simple 3D sketch. You can select a line again, draw a vertical line like this. You can keep it normal. You can give it till here. Select. Now I can give this relation to be vertical. So I can say this and this one, they should be parallel. So now this one and this one is equal. Again, I can say this and this one, make it parallel. This line and this line, make it parallel. So this line and this line, make it parallel. Now if I keep in front plane, my 3D sketch, it looks like this. Okay. Now use mirror entities. Select select this line, hold the control button, select this line, mirror about front plane. Say okay. Now select a line. You can join this line till here. Now make sure it is in the correct orientation. We are moving from here till here. We are moving towards Z direction. So if you select a line, it will the mark pencil, it has XY. So you need to change it to Z direction. So click tab button, then it will be showing YZ. So now you can select this point till here. Again, you can select this point till here. Now this is a simple 3D sketch. You can give dimension to this line, say 600 millimeters. Okay. Again, if you want to create more features, select a line, and again select this point and this point. And then you can select again a line from this point to this point. Say okay. Give it a relation. This and this, make it parallel. Again, this and this vertical line, make it parallel. Also can give dimension from here till here, say 200 mm, and from here till here, say 350, 100 mm. Now we'll be having structure like this. And here you can select one line at the mid till here, say okay. You can say, can give dimension, this is 600. Okay. Give relation, this and this, make it parallel. Okay guys, this is the simple 3D sketch. Now we want to use a Weldment feature to create our structural member. So we can exit sketch and go to Weldment. In this tab, you'll find Weldment. In some cases, by default, you'll not find this Weldment. So you can right click here and go to tab and make sure the Weldment feature, it is checked. Here we have structure, sheet metal, we have structural system, we have Weldment, it is checked. So if you uncheck this, you will not find Weldment features in this tab. So to activate, you need to go to tabs, right click in this section, tabs, and make sure the Weldment is checked. Now we'll be able to find Weldment. Okay, so click Weldment and select structural member. Here we are using ISO as standard. If you open this, you'll find so many standards: ISO, GB, DIN, custom, and so many others. Mostly we are working on ISO, and we have so many types of structured members. We have C channel, we have rectangular tube, we have SB beam, we have pipe, we have C channel, we have angle iron. So depending on your requirement, let us select a rectangular tube. Here you will select what size. So let's say I'm working on 40 by 40 by 4 millimeters thickness. Okay, now you have to choose groups. So click here, select groups. Now you can start selecting the first group, this this one, and this one, and create new group. Select this one, this one, this one, this one, and create again a new group. You can select this one all together with this one. Okay, you can create a new group again. Select this, select new group again, this, and this one. So make sure you're selecting a group which it has relations. Uh, New group again, this one, this one, this line, this line. Now there is one more line, a new group, select this line, give it okay. So here we have our structural member. We can hide this 3D selected line, click hide. Now we will have this structural member. This is structural frame. Okay. So if you want to, you can create one face. You can create one face at the back of my frame. Select here, say sketch. Can select a corner rectangle starting from here, and then you can cover the whole till here. Say till here, and then use extrude command, and then you can extrude for 2 millimeters. For 2 millimeters. Have created a plate, to enclose my structure. So I can do the same in this side, and at the top. So let us assume this is, I want to create a table. So you can select here, select corner rectangle, can choose this point till here, and then select extrude, can keep it 2 millimeters, say okay. So here, this is our table.